guys, it's Elise and I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with another OMG Her Hair wig. Now, we've been getting a lot of requests from you guys wanting to see more wigs that require little to no work, because I do understand that a lot of the wigs that we promote here on this channel requires a bit of an effort in order to make it look realistic and wearable. So I was really excited to give this wig a try because it comes ready to wear directly out of the box, requiring no work whatsoever other than the standard maintenance. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is OMG Her Hair's super fine high definition lace wig. The texture that I picked up is their water wave, and it does come with the knots already pre-bleached. The hairline is already pre-plucked, and it does come with their super fine high definition lace. Now I wanted to do a quick comparison with your standard lace. You notice that it doesn't quite blend in with my skin tone, and this is one of the biggest issues that I have with lace wigs. But OMG Her Hair's super fine high definition lace blends in seamlessly with all skin tones, requiring no need to tint the lace or apply any foundation. So that is definitely a plus in my book. Now, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on to let you guys see what the wig looks like directly out of the box. You do notice that the hairline is already pre-plucked, the knots are already bleached, making this wig definitely a beginner friendly unit. So if you don't know how to bleach your knots or please your hairline, this is definitely the wig for you. Now, once again, this wig is in their water wave texture. My wig is 20 inches long. It is 100% human hair. It has 150% density. It also has a 13 by 6 inch high definition lace, giving you more than enough lace to be able to achieve a deep part. The wig that I have is in the cap size medium, and it also comes with their secure adjustable straps and as well as an added elastic band. This wig definitely is big head friendly, and you can also adjust it in case you have a smaller head, so it definitely fits all head sizes. Now I'm just shampooing and conditioning the wig as usual. Now this wig had very minimal shedding, so that was definitely a plus for me. Right now I'm just going in and further defining the curls. I'm just using a little bit of my Aussie Moist conditioner, and I'm spraying the hair down with a little bit of water and just clumping the curls together. I'm kind of slightly shingling the curls because I really wanted the curls to pop in this unit. However, just applying a little bit of water and conditioner and just clumping the curls with your fingers will definitely give you a really nice texture. This is their water wave texture unit. However, I did find that it kind of mimicked like a 3C 4A curly natural texture, which I loved about this unit. This wig definitely grows the more that you manipulate it. But I'm going to go ahead and continue to further define the curls, and then I'm going to do up the hairline, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with that. So it's been a couple of days and the hair is now completely dried. This is what it looks like. Now I did develop a slight crunchy cast due to the conditioner, but if you just rake your fingertips through the hair, you'll be able to break that right off, and then the hair will become super soft. Once again, this is what the hairline on the unit looks like. I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on, and I'll see you guys with the next step. So now I'm taking a really sharp pair of cutting shears. I'm just going to trim off that excess lace. Now, if you're a beginner, I find it to be so much easier if you were to use an eyebrow razor. So therefore, you can just follow the hairline to be able to trim off that lace. It just makes life so much easier that way. So now I'm taking my Melt Me Down spray, and I'm just spraying on top of the lace to be able to temporarily adhere this wig down. Now, if you're new to our channel, you will see that that we don't really do the ball cap method. I just find it to be too much of a commitment, being that I prefer to take my wigs off at the end of the night and give my natural hair a breather. So if you're someone like myself who likes to transition between your natural hair and wigs, definitely try out this Melt Me Down spray. It'll make it to where you can remove your wigs towards the end of the night and you don't have to worry about losing any bit of your hairline. So now I'm just taking my white tooth comb and just combing through the roots of this wig just to add a little extra volume. And this wig does come with the wax stick, so if you find that you have some flyaways or if you want your wig to look a little flatter on top, definitely utilize this product. It comes with your wig. Well, it came with my unit to be exact, so I'm able to achieve a more flatter appearance on top of my wig. And get into this wig, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now you guys probably noticed that I didn't really do much to the baby hairs. I just wanted to keep it super natural. However, you can lay up your baby hairs, add a few swoops to give your wig some personality. I, however, did not. I just sort of brushed them to the side, and I really wanted the baby hairs to look really soft. But this unit is so pretty. It reminds me kind of like a 3C 4A curly texture, and I am just here for it. Now you guys notice the super fine high definition lace. It really blends in with your skin tone. You don't have to tint the lace or add any foundation. It just looks super flawless. But you guys, I want to do something extra with this wig, so I am going to really go in and comb through this wig. As I mentioned before, this wig grows the more that you manipulate it. So I really wanted to get some really big Leela James type hair. You guys remember Leela James? I remember I used to listen to her when I was in high school. But yeah, I really wanted some really big curly hair. And you guys, get into it. I love this wig so much. It's giving me natural vibes. Though it is their water wave texture, I'm getting more of a natural curly texture. So you guys do check out OMG Her Hair. I will have all the information and links provided in the info section below. Use discount code 𝐒𝐢𝐠10 if you want to save $10 off of any purchases that are over $100. Once again, I'll have everything listed in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.